Welcome to this exploration of photons, the fundamental particles of light. In this video, we'll discover how light behaves as quantized packets of energy. This concept revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for quantum physics. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of photons. A photon is a quantum of electromagnetic radiation. In simpler terms, it's the smallest possible packet of light energy. Photons are the fundamental particles that make up all forms of electromagnetic radiation, from radio waves to gamma rays. These remarkable particles carry energy in discrete, indivisible packets. One of the most interesting properties of photons is that they have zero rest mass, yet they still possess momentum. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's a fundamental characteristic of these particles. Despite having no mass, photons can still exert pressure and transfer energy when they interact with matter. To understand photons, we need to grasp the concept of quantization. Energy is not continuous as we might experience it in everyday life. Instead, it comes in discrete bundles or packets. The classical view of light treated it as a continuous wave that could have any energy value. However, the quantum view reveals that light exists as packets with specific, fixed energy amounts. This was a revolutionary shift in physics. Think of it like a staircase rather than a ramp. You can stand on one step or another, but not in between. Similarly, light energy can only exist in specific quantities, not as a smooth continuum. The energy of a photon is given by a beautifully simple equation. E equals hf here. E represents the energy of the photon, measured in joules. The letter h stands for Planck's constant, which has a value of 6.626 times 10 to the power of negative 34 joule-seconds. This fundamental constant of nature connects the particle and wave properties of light. Finally, F represents the frequency of the light, measured in hertz. This equation tells us that the energy of a photon is directly proportional to its frequency. This relationship is at the heart of quantum mechanics and explains many phenomena we'll discuss shortly. The formula E equals hf reveals a crucial relationship. Higher frequency light carries higher energy photons. This has important implications across the electromagnetic spectrum. Consider radio waves, which have low frequencies. The photons that make up radio waves carry relatively little energy. On the opposite end of the spectrum, gamma rays have extremely high frequencies, meaning their photons pack tremendous amounts of energy. This is why gamma rays can be so dangerous to living tissue, while radio waves pass through our bodies harmlessly. This energy-frequency relationship also explains why ultraviolet light can cause sunburn while visible light cannot, even though both come from the sun. One of the most profound discoveries in physics is that photons exhibit both wave and particle properties. This phenomenon is known as wave-particle duality. On one hand, photons display wave behavior. They can undergo interference, where waves combine to create patterns of reinforcement and cancellation. They also exhibit diffraction, bending around obstacles just like water waves do. On the other hand, photons show particle behavior. They carry discrete, quantized amounts of energy that cannot be subdivided. When photons interact with matter, they do so at specific, localized points, like tiny particles striking a target. This dual nature is not a contradiction, but rather a fundamental property of quantum mechanics. Photons are neither purely waves nor purely particles, but something that encompasses both descriptions depending on how we observe them. The photoelectric effect provided key experimental evidence for the photon theory of light. This phenomenon occurs when light shines on a metal surface and ejects electrons from it. Albert Einstein explained this effect by proposing that light consists of photons. 3 important observations from photoelectric effect experiments confirmed the photon model. First, only light above a certain threshold frequency can eject electrons, regardless of how bright the light is. Second, the energy of the ejected electrons depends on the frequency of the light, not its intensity. A dim blue light ejects faster electrons than a bright red light. Third, electron emission is instantaneous with no time delay. The moment light hits the surface, electrons are ejected. These observations cannot be explained by the classical wave theory of light, but they make perfect sense if light consists of photons. Each photon either has enough energy to free an electron or it doesn't. This discovery was so significant that Einstein received the Nobel Prize for explaining the photoelectric effect. Let's summarize what we've learned about photons. First, photons are quantized packets of electromagnetic energy. They are the fundamental units that make up all forms of light and electromagnetic radiation. Second, the energy of a photon is proportional to its frequency, as expressed by the equation E equals h. This means higher frequency light carries more energetic photons. Third, light exhibits both wave and particle characteristics. This wave-particle duality is a cornerstone of quantum mechanics. Finally, the photoelectric effect proves light's particle nature. This phenomenon cannot be explained by treating light as a wave alone, but is perfectly consistent with the photon model. Understanding photons opens the door to quantum physics and helps explain everything from how solar panels work to why the sky is blue. Thank you for joining this exploration of photons, the remarkable particles of light.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.